Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play open arms on piano epic the musical easy method. Start by finding middle C, place your left hand on the root, and play simple block chords. Keep the right hand lightly tracing the melody with fingered chord tones, matching rhythm to the vocal line. Practice slowly with a metronome, then increase tempo as you gain confidence and smoothness in both hands together for a steady performance. Focus on triads to simplify the harmonic pattern throughout the song, and use first and second inversions to reduce hand travel. Keep your left hand holding root or fifth, while the right outlines chord tones to imply richer harmony. Substitute sevenths with plain triads when needed, and use gentle arpeggios to add motion without complexity. This approach keeps the arrangement playable and musical for beginners and intermediate players alike. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more easy music tutorials. On another note, the product seen here is the Kindle Paperwhite, which is handy for reading sheet music and practice notes anywhere with clear contrast and long battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab yours. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Learn the melody phrase by phrase and hum it to internalize timing and dynamics before adding chords. Count beats clearly and emphasize the downbeats to maintain steady rhythm, then bring in the left hand sparsely to support harmony. Practice each hand alone, then slowly combine them, focusing on clean transitions and balanced volume. Use short daily sessions and repeat challenging bars until they feel natural and relaxed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.